Hi everyone, welcome to Korean Express YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to learn 10 Korean words. So, let's start. First one is the Korean word for kite, and that is yon. Yon. Next comes the Korean word for wallet, and that is 지갑. 지갑. Now let's see how to say bracelet in Korean language, and that is 팔찌. 팔찌. Next comes the Korean word for wardrobe, and that is 옷장. 옷장. Now let's see how to say raincoat in Korean language, and that is 우비. 우비. Next comes the Korean word for gym, and that is 체육관. 체육관. Now let's see what is rose in Korean language, and that is 장미. 장미. Next comes the Korean word for gloves, and that is 장갑. 장갑. Now comes the Korean word for festival, and that is 축제. 축제. And the last one is the Korean word for prison, and that is 감옥. 감옥. So today we learned 10 very easy Korean words. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe Korean Express YouTube channel. Thank you.